I'm your energy guru, EMA Watt-son. Let's talk about importing electricity. By 2035, Singapore plans to import up to 4 gigawatts of low-carbon electricity to meet around 30% of our energy needs. You might think it's risky for our energy security, but don't worry. Importing electricity is similar to what we are doing now for natural gas. We will import from multiple sources for greater energy security. Must diversify, ma. We also have backups like energy storage systems in case of supply disruptions. Steady one. With limited renewable energy options, importing low-carbon electricity is our next best bet at a more sustainable future. Power lah!